Hey folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here. Do you have a broken snowblower chute attachment doodad thing like this? Well, I'm going to show you how to change it. Good day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here. I've got a snowblower with a chute that's waggly all around like that because this piece, that I've got the new one in my hand, is broken. This snowblower actually, the previous owner tried to repair it without replacing the part, which I do admire, trying to fix something without buying new. But I think that they probably spent a fair amount of time, and they had it patched up with part of a tin can, like seriously. Anyway, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change this. So here's the new part, and you can see from the new part, there's the correct orientation. There are 2 carriage bolts at the top, 2 at the bottom. Pretty easy stuff. So what we're going to do is remove the old one. Now in order to remove the old one, to get access to this bolt, which is right here, you have to release this belt housing. You don't need a lot of tools. You need a 10 millimeter socket on an extension. You need a 9/16 socket for up there. And you need a 1/2 inch socket for these carriage bolts. So let's get that belt housing off of there and we'll see what we got. You need to get the belt housing off so that you can expose that bolt right there, which I think is kind of dumb for the manufacturer to... If you look right here, the bolt that I need to take off is right in there. The bolt that I need to take off is right in there, and you can't get at it until you lift this cover off. Kind of a silly thing, but anyway. All right. Why don't you come out of there? There. All right. Here we go, this side. So 2 little bolts out of the way there. And that up there. Okay. Now that exposes these 2 bolts, or these 2 nuts. And if you do them quick like that, the carriage bolts will stay in place and the nuts will just turn off, which is nice. So now, the 2 hands, I guess. So those 2 carriage bolts drop inside of the blower. Look at this. Get rid of that. This is a good time to repair any spots that you're worried about. There is a crack here, but I'm not overly concerned about it. There's this backing plate right here which needs to be in place. So let's dig our lost carriage bolt out down there. Got it. And I'm curious to see if I'm able to do this without kind of without any real trouble. Okay, I have, and I think you actually have to put this thing up in here to install it. And of course, if you look up here, I've got a thread there, or not thread, but line this thing up with that thing. Hey, that almost looked like we knew what we were doing. So there's that one.